Here's an amazing app which is called ElfCam Santa Elf Tracker. It's literally going through the top charts and it's a really amazing app. And it's using some AR, augmented reality, to make a video with elves. And it's super fun to play this app with your kids, and I will show you how to do it. So you can create your own elf with hundreds of outfits, more animation, and lots of fun in this year's Merriest Holiday app. So yeah, it's that time of the year when Santa elves visit your home, checking off the naughty or nice list. Like tracked Santa, you can now track elves. This year we'll be ready to catch them on camera using ElfCam. Your kids will scream at the magical sight of seeing their elf running around their home. So you can use original AR elf camera app. Watch your elf come to life, choose your elf, pick a route, and let your elf run wild around your home. So yeah, that's basically the idea. You can also, in this app, you can create your own elf, unleash your creativity by designing your personalized Christmas elf. Customize colors, hats, gloves, attire, glasses, and more to your heart's content. Explore endless outfit combinations and express your festive spirit. Super simple. It's just super simple to make your own elf. You can attach all the video filters, share the magic. So yeah, just open it up, and here I will show you how it works. So how it works, I just opened the app. Unfortunately, you need to upgrade to use it, and then you just can point your phone to your room, point the just AR elements where you want elf to appear, and then elf will appear. So yeah, and then you can also build your own elf with your own colors and styles, and then you can also just show it to your kids in real time. But if you want, you can also just record as a video and send it as a video message. So that's the power of this app. Yeah, but unfortunately it's only available as a yearly subscription. It's very cheap. Probably you're just gonna use it like 1-2 times per year, but this is like a cheap price. And yeah, unfortunately it's also a subscription. You can also take a look at some video here, how it might look as well. So take a look at the video. So yeah, and then this is the ElfCam. So yeah, again, you can only use it while upgrading. Yeah, sorry that I can't show you right away. Maybe I will upgrade in future, but then you will see here tips and tricks where you can just see some FAQs and things. Of course, it makes sense that the developers of the app want to make revenue. Therefore, it's there is no free version or so. You can only use it after paying. But yeah, it can be quite fun. This AR technology, especially on the newer phones, it looks quite amazing.